Alright, my bad. I should have showed this video before I started preparing for the dyeing of the steering wheel. I got a 2005 Ford Expedition, and you know how the steering wheel gets kind of messed up. Well, I'm going to do this myself. I'm going to paint it, but with the correct spray paint. I'll show you what it is in a second. First, you're going to do your prep. Get some blue tape. That's paint tape, so it can come off easily, and tape everything off like I did. And for the background, so you don't spray anything onto the truck, get yourself a worn out sheet that you don't use anymore, because sometimes the paint can will drop little drops there, so that'll catch everything. All right, so the first coat you're gonna do approximately 12 inches away, and you're gonna do it lightly. You ain't gonna go crazy, because you're gonna put on 3 coats after this dries. Okay, so I'll show you real quick. Also did the inside. Okay, so that's the first coat. And let me show you the can that I'm using. This is Color Bond, and for this particular paint code for this 2005 Eddie Bauer Expedition is, it's called Ford Medium Parchment. I think I ordered this on Amazon. It's like $8 because they charge you to do this painting of the steering wheel. Don't need to pay the amount that they want. I forget, I think it's like $175, some crazy amount like that. All right, so we're gonna let this dry and hit it back up in 10 minutes. All right, real quick, if you're not sure what color the interior of your Ford Expedition, go over to the VIN number identification tag on the side of the door, on the front door. When you open the doors on the inside, door jamb. If you look here, it says interior trim, and it says 1H. So whatever yours is, just go to Google and say Ford trim level 1H, and you'll get further information that will describe the name of 1H. In this particular instance, it's medium parchment. Okay, it's just a reminder, don't play around, get the good stuff. This is a leather, vinyl, and plastic paint, and this is a really good name brand, Color Bond. So go to Amazon and get your color. At least cleaned the wheel before you started painting. My bad if I didn't tell you first. Put the second coat on. You see how I'm doing it, right? Just lightly misting it. Don't want to stay in one spot too long, because it'll create a drip, and then you're going to be really sad after that. All right, so this is my second coat. Let me walk around the truck and do the other side to get a better angle at it. All right, that's my second coat. And now I'm gonna put the last coat on here, 3 coats, making sure that I get all the area and that I spray it approximately 12 inches away. Walk around and do the other side. Oh, that's 3 coats. I'll take everything off and show you the after effects. Remember, I specifically used this blue painter's tape for a reason, because it comes off real easy and it doesn't take anything off. Doesn't mess anything up. Just want you to be mindful of that. That's the after effect. After the job. It was a real simple job. Conquer your fear in thinking that you can't do it, because I know you can. No special brain requirements here. Looks good. I mean, don't go the easy way out and putting a steering wheel cover on it, because you know subconsciously the wheel is still messed up. And all you needed was just paint, blue tape, and an old sheet, and that's it. Such nicer, right? Okay, so you have to let it dry at least, in my eyes, 10 hours before use. So I did this job approximately 6 p.m. By tomorrow morning, I will have no fear in using the car. All right, guys and girls, got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. This is a free channel, so subscribe if you can. It helps me to do other videos like this. Hope it helps. Take care, everybody. Later.